1. What is the primary purpose of the danger zone around a school bus? A. To protect the driver. B. To ensure parking efficiency. C. To prevent children from being unseen. D. To improve fuel economy. 2. Which area is most dangerous for students around the bus? A. Behind the bus. B. In front of the driver. C. Inside the bus. D. Driver's side window. 3. What should a driver do before moving the bus from a stop? A. Honk the horn twice. B. Check mirrors and count students. C. Turn on hazard lights. D. Call dispatch for clearance. 4. What are cross-view mirrors used for? A. Viewing overhead signs. B. Seeing behind the bus. C. Viewing front danger zones. D. Reading road names. 5. Why is it dangerous to load or unload students across multiple lanes? A. It delays traffic. B. Students may forget to board. C. It reduces driver visibility. D. Cars may not stop in all lanes. 6. What mirror helps a driver see directly behind the bus? A. Overhead mirror. B. Right side flat mirror. C. Left convex mirror. D. Rear view mirror. 7. Which of the following is the safest method for student loading? A. Allow students to run to the bus. B. Load students quickly while moving. C. Load only at authorized stops. D. Let students choose loading spots. 8. Why must the driver ensure all students are visible before moving? A. To complete head count. B. To prevent delays. C. To avoid traffic citations. D. To prevent injury. 9. The blind spot area can extend how far behind the bus? A. 10 feet. B. 20 feet. C. 40 feet. D. 50 feet. 10. What is the danger of a student dropping something near the bus? A. It could get lost. B. Another student might trip. C. The student might enter danger zone. D. The driver might get distracted. 11. What is the correct action when students are unloading? A. Wait for driver's signal. B. Step out when door opens. C. Walk directly into street. D. Exit from the rear door. 12. Which mirror helps monitor students as they enter and exit? A. Side convex mirror. B. Left flat mirror. C. Interior rearview mirror. D. Overhead mirror. 13. Why must students stay 10 feet away from the bus? A. For faster boarding. B. To avoid blind spots. C. To hear the driver better. D. For easier roll call. 14. What should a driver do if a car ignores the stop arm? A. Continue unloading. B. Yell at the car. C. Report to dispatch. D. Honk in reverse. 15. The front danger zone typically extends how far in front of the bus? A. 2 feet. B. 6 feet. C. 10 feet. D. 20 feet. 16. When is it safe to move the bus after unloading? A. When hazard lights stop blinking. B. After students clear the danger zone. C. When stop arm retracts. D. When engine sounds normal. 17. Why are convex mirrors important on school buses? A. They show inside the bus. B. They enhance rear visibility. C. They help see wider areas around the bus. D. They reduce fuel usage. 18. What should a driver do before making a right turn? A. Honk and go. B. Check mirrors for pedestrians. C. Flash headlights twice. D. Wait 15 seconds. 19. Why must drivers always check the crossover mirrors? A. To spot items under the hood. B. To check engine temperature. C. To see children in front of the bus. D. To adjust headlights. 20. How often should mirrors be checked while driving? A. Every 30 minutes. B. After every stop. C. Every 5-8 seconds. D. Only when reversing. 21. What is the correct mirror for checking traffic from the rear left side? A. Left side flat mirror. B. Overhead mirror. C. Crossover mirror. D. Right convex mirror. 22. How can a driver ensure a child is not left behind? A. Ask other students. B. Use child check system. C. Flashlights at all stops. D. Keep the door open. 23. What danger is highest when reversing a school bus? A. Loss of fuel. B. Hitting a student. C. Overheating brakes. D. Blinding headlights. 24. The most effective way to monitor student safety during unloading is: A. Use only the rearview mirror. B. Trust students to exit safely. C. Use mirrors and visual checks. D. Turn off the engine. 25. Which mirror shows the largest blind spot area? A. Right flat mirror. B. Left convex mirror. C. Rear view mirror. D. Cross view mirror. 26. A driver sees a student walking near the right rear wheel. A. Honk and continue. B. Exit to check outside. C. Wait until student is clear. D. Call for help. 27. What's the purpose of the stop arm signal? A. To indicate a traffic stop. B. To improve turn signals. C. To alert approaching vehicles. D. To guide students. 28. How far should students cross in front of the bus? A. 2 feet. B. 5 feet. C. 10 feet. D. As close as possible. 29. When using mirrors, where is the largest no visibility zone? A. Front bumper. B. Driver seat. C. Right rear tire. D. Directly under the driver. 30. What's the best way to check for students before pulling off? A. Honk twice. B. Check each mirror in sequence. C. Ask other students. D. Look at the rear view only. 31. What mirror do you use to monitor tail swing? A. Left convex mirror. B. Rear view mirror. C. Right side flat mirror. D. Overhead mirror. 32. What causes most school bus loading injuries? A. Engine malfunction. B. Tire blowouts. C. Students running into blind zones. D. Rainy weather. 33. When should a driver use hazard lights at a stop? A. Only during mechanical issues. B. When visibility is low. C. Before and after loading or unloading. D. Only when children are late. 34. A student drops a book near the front bumper. A. They should pick it up quickly. B. Alert the driver immediately. C. Ask a friend to get it. D. Ignore it. 35. Before reversing a bus, the driver should A. Honk once and go. B. Check mirrors and walk around. C. Ask a student to help guide. D. Flash the lights. 36. How do mirrors reduce risk in blind zones? A. By eliminating all blind spots. B. By increasing speed. C. By expanding driver vision. D. By turning off headlights. 37. Which mirror helps the driver see students boarding? A. Interior rearview mirror. B. Cross view mirror. C. Left flat mirror. D. Right side flat mirror. 38. Why is mirror adjustment important? A. For fuel efficiency. B. To reduce tire wear. C. For proper visibility. D. For student roll call. 39. Which mirror covers the widest field of view? A. Rear view mirror. B. Flat mirror. C. Convex mirror. D. Crossover mirror. 40. How should a driver respond to students playing in the danger zone? A. Yell from the window. B. Stop the engine and supervise. C. Flash lights. D. Ask other students to help. 41. Why should a driver check the right side mirror before moving? A. To ensure the bus isn't damaged. B. To see if cars are approaching. C. To avoid hitting students or objects. D. To balance mirror alignment. 42. Which mirror should be used to see directly behind the bus? A. Left convex mirror. B. Rear view mirror. C. Cross view mirror. D. Flat side mirror. 43. What should the driver do before opening the door at a stop? A. Turn off the engine. B. Flash the hazard lights. C. Check mirrors thoroughly. D. Shift into neutral. 44. Why is the left side mirror important during loading? A. To check tire pressure. B. To monitor traffic and students. C. To reduce air drag. D. To align the bus with the curb. 45. Which mirror shows the area just in front of the bus? A. convex side mirror. B. Crossover mirror. C. Rearview mirror. D. Interior mirror. 46. What must drivers ensure after students exit? A. That students run home quickly. B. That students do not speak. C. That students are out of the danger zone. D. That parents are present. 47. The right side convex mirror should be checked for A. Tree branches. B. Hidden children or vehicles. C. Street signs. D. Cleanliness. 48. A driver must adjust mirrors. A. Only at the start of the shift. B. Once a week. C. At each stop. D. Before every trip. 49. When backing up, which safety practice is best? A. Check only the right mirror. B. Turn on the windshield wipers. C. Use a spotter in all mirrors. D. Ignore mirrors to avoid distraction. 50. What is the blind spot directly behind the bus called? A. Dead angle. B. Cross zone. C. Rear zone. D. Danger zone. 51. When should the stop arm be activated? A. After students are seated. B. After the door is opened. C. After stopping and checking mirrors. D. At the end of the day. 52. What is the first step when approaching a bus stop? A. Open the door. B. Check mirrors. C. Slow down and activate warning lights. D. Let students come to the curb. 53. What should the driver do if mirrors are fogged up? A. Wipe them while driving. B. Wait until they clear. C. Turn on defroster and clean mirrors. D. Call dispatch. 54. Which mirror helps drivers see traffic lanes on the right? A. Right convex mirror. B. Left flat mirror. C. Rear view mirror. D. Cross view mirror. 55. What is the correct order for using mirrors when stopping? A. Rear view cross view side mirrors. B. Cross view rear view side mirrors. C. Side mirrors rear view cross view. D. Any random order. 56. How can drivers identify small children near the bus? A. Use the dome light. B. Check all mirrors including crossover. C. Ask other students. D. Lower the window. 57. Which mirror helps avoid curb strikes during turns? A. Overhead mirror. B. Left flat mirror. C. Right side convex mirror. D. Rear view mirror. 58. What should be visible in the rear view mirror? A. The entire bus interior. B. The right side windows. C. The engine compartment. D. Only the front seats. 59. What part of the bus has the most limited visibility? A. Rear door. B. Right front bumper. C. Under the chassis. D. Driver's seat. 60. What is the purpose of mirror scanning? A. To increase speed. B. To identify safety issues early. C. To reduce fuel usage. D. To avoid using the brakes. 61. Before leaving the stop, drivers must A. Count seats. B. Confirm all mirrors are clear. C. Turn off the stop arm. D. Flash lights twice. 62. Which mirror gives a direct view of children crossing in front? A. Cross view mirror. B. Rear view mirror. C. Interior mirror. D. Left convex mirror. 63. What's the danger of turning without mirror checks? A. Poor steering control. B. Risk of engine stall. C. Hitting unseen pedestrians or vehicles. D. Bumpy ride. 64. How should a driver react to mirror glare? A. Ignore it. B. Adjust angle or use visor. C. Close eyes briefly. D. Use sunglasses only. 65. What does proper mirror adjustment prevent? A. Increased fuel consumption. B. Missed routes. C. Missed children or vehicles in blind spots. D. Longer trips. 66. When parked, what mirror should be checked first? A. Interior mirror. B. Crossover mirror. C. Right side mirror. D. Rear view mirror. 67. Which area must be visible in both convex mirrors? A. The front bumper. B. Rear axle. C. 200 feet behind the bus. D. Curb and traffic lane next to bus. 68. What to do if a mirror becomes loose during a route? A. Tape it in place. B. Ignore it temporarily. C. Stop and adjust it safely. D. Continue using only the others. 69. Why check mirrors at every stop? A. To keep hands busy. B. To reset their position. C. To verify surrounding safety. D. To test eye movement. 70. How do students cause mirror visibility issues? A. By shouting loudly. B. By standing too close to the bus. C. By using flashlights. D. By running ahead of schedule. 71. What is the purpose of the right flat mirror? A. Show the interior view. B. See side and rear traffic. C. Reflect dashboard light. D. Show the gas tank. 72. Which mirror is best for lane changes? A. Left convex mirror. B. Interior mirror. C. Cross view mirror. D. Right rear view mirror. 73. What to check in the mirrors before merging? A. Air pressure gauge. B. Fuel level. C. Clearance and surrounding traffic. D. Headlight brightness. 74. What condition makes mirrors harder to use? A. Fog or rain. B. Full tank. C. Engine warm-up. D. Turn signals. 75. What is the best use of the left flat mirror? A. Monitor approaching left lane traffic. B. Count students inside. C. Watch front bumper. D. Measure turn radius. 76. How do mirrors assist in pre-trip inspection? A. By checking tire age. B. By reflecting areas otherwise unseen. C. By magnifying brake pads. D. By reading engine codes. 77. What should be done if students linger near rear tires? A. Continue slowly. B. Alert them to move and wait. C. Ignore them. D. Drive in reverse. 78. What is the main function of the rearview interior mirror? A. Monitor outside traffic. B. Watch student behavior. C. Reflect dashboard. D. See the emergency exit. 79. Which mirror combination covers the most zones? A. Rear view and interior. B. Cross view and convex. C. Flat mirror only. D. Right and left convex only. 80. How often should mirror cleanliness be checked? A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. Every morning. D. End of day only. 81. What should you do if mirrors fog while driving? A. Wipe with bare hand. B. Pull over and safely clear them. C. Wait for them to defog naturally. D. Ask a student to clean. 82. What blind spot is not visible with any mirror? A. Underneath the driver's seat. B. Far left side. C. 10 feet directly behind the bus. D. Side windows. 83. Which mirror is critical during right turns? A. Left side mirror. B. Interior mirror. C. Right side convex mirror. D. Cross view mirror. 84. What is the biggest risk in blind spots? A. Hitting parked vehicles. B. Overheating brakes. C. Missing children or pedestrians. D. Delayed arrival. 85. How can mirrors reduce accidents? A. By increasing speed. B. By enhancing blind spot awareness. C. By shortening route. D. By minimizing noise. 86. What's the best position for mirror adjustment? A. Where driver sees part of their face. B. So mirrors show only sky. C. So mirrors show nothing behind. D. Where driver sees only the side panel. 87. Why must a driver check mirrors after each stop? A. For engine temperature. B. For safety and surroundings. C. For route timing. D. For seatbelt use. 88. When are cross-view mirrors most helpful? A. During high-speed driving. B. During inclement weather. C. During loading and unloading. D. During long trips. 89. Why are mirrors considered passive safety tools? A. Because they warn pedestrians. B. Because they must be actively used. C. Because they emit signals. D. Because they are automatic. 90. When must all mirrors be rechecked? A. After passing a bus stop. B. After turning right. C. After student unloading or movement. D. At lunch break. CDL School Bus Danger Zones and Use of Mirrors Test. The CDL School Bus Danger Zones and Use of Mirrors Test evaluates a bus driver's understanding of the critical safety zones around a school bus and how to effectively use mirrors to monitor these areas. The test emphasizes the importance of recognizing the danger zones, areas where students are at risk of being injured, typically within 10 to 20 feet of the bus. Drivers must demonstrate knowledge of when and how to check mirrors to ensure students are safely boarding or exiting the bus, particularly in high-risk areas. It also includes guidelines for using mirrors to monitor blind spots, keep an eye on traffic, and be aware of pedestrians, ensuring that the driver can take necessary precautions to avoid accidents. Mastery of these procedures is crucial to ensuring student safety during school bus operations. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the CDL School Bus Danger Zones and Use of Mirrors Test. 1. Enhanced safety awareness. The test helps drivers understand the danger zones around a school bus where children are most vulnerable. This knowledge allows drivers to be extra cautious when driving near school zones and while loading and unloading students, ensuring the safety of children. 2. Mirror usage proficiency. By emphasizing the correct use of mirrors, the test ensures drivers can effectively monitor the surroundings of the bus. Proper mirror checks prevent accidents by alerting drivers to potential dangers and blind spots, especially when students are entering or exiting the bus. 3. Legal accountability. Passing the test ensures that school bus drivers are familiar with both state and federal laws regarding safety zones and the use of mirrors. This reduces legal risks and ensures that drivers operate within the legal framework, avoiding penalties for unsafe driving practices. 4. Precautionary measures for emergencies. Drivers trained through this test are better equipped to spot potential hazards early, allowing them to take preventative action in case of unexpected situations, such as a student running into the danger zone. 5. Community confidence. Knowledge of danger zones and mirror usage reassures parents and the community that drivers are vigilant and prepared to ensure the safety of children on and around the bus. This fosters a sense of trust in school transportation systems.